Hey DIY friends, welcome back to the channel where creativity meets practicality. I'm so glad you're here with me today. You know, there's just something special about walking into a thrift store, isn't there? It's like a treasure hunt, full of stories waiting to be rediscovered. Today's episode is for every bargain hunter, vintage lover, and weekend thrifter out there. Raise your hand if you've ever walked through a thrift store and spotted something that made you think, this has potential, but then walked away because you didn't know how to bring it to life. I've been there too, but I've learned that with a little bit of vision, those overlooked pieces can become the heart of your home. Well, not anymore. In this video, I'm going to show you some of my favorite genius, affordable, and absolutely beautiful ways to upcycle thrifted items into treasures. From transforming old furniture that's seen better days to reimagining glassware that just needs a new purpose, picture frames longing for a new story, textiles with hidden beauty, and so much more. We're going to breathe new life into these finds, y'all. It's about seeing beyond what is and imagining what could be. These projects are not only fun and eco-friendly, but they're also incredibly satisfying, creating pieces that are uniquely yours. Plus, you'll save tons of money while giving new life to forgotten items. And that's always a good feeling. It's about being resourceful, creative, and making your home a true reflection of you. So grab your thrift finds, gather some basic tools, nothing too fancy, I promise, and let's unlock the creative potential hiding in those secondhand steals. We're going to make some magic together, turning the ordinary into the extraordinary, one find at a time. Let's get started. First up, we're taking a classic thrift store find, an old wooden chair. You know the kind, maybe a little wobbly, perhaps the finish has seen better days, but it's got good bones. That's what we're looking for, that solid foundation. I found this sweet little chair tucked away in a corner, and I just knew it was meant for something more than just sitting. We're going to transform it into a charming boho plant stand, a piece that brings a touch of nature and whimsy into any corner of your home. The first step, and it's an important one, y'all, is preparation. We'll give our chair a good cleaning and then a light sanding. For this project, I'm envisioning a soft, creamy white paint. Once our paint is perfectly dry, it's time for the fun part, adding that boho touch with jute rope. Finally, to complete our transformation, we'll arrange some small potted plants on the seat of the chair. This old chair, once overlooked, is now a beautiful showcase for life, bringing a bit of the outdoors in the most charming way. Next, let's talk about those beautiful, often ornate, old picture frames you find at thrift stores. Sometimes they're missing their glass, or the artwork inside is a bit dated, but the frames themselves? They often have such incredible detail and character. We're going to take one of these larger wooden frames and turn it into a stunning, rustic jewelry organizer. Our first step is to prepare the frame. Once your frame is painted or stained and completely dry, we'll add the functional part, chicken wire. For necklaces and bracelets, we can add some optional hooks or even some charming mismatched drawer knobs along the bottom edge of the frame. And just like that, an old, forgotten picture frame is transformed into a beautiful and incredibly useful jewelry organizer. I just adore wandering through the dishware aisle at thrift stores. You can find the most beautiful, unique plates, some with delicate floral patterns, others with bold geometric designs, and often they're just $1 or $2 a piece. Don't worry if you can't find a matching set. In fact, for this project, mismatched is even better. We're going to gather a collection of these lovely thrifted plates and turn them into a captivating piece of wall art. The first thing you'll want to do is give your chosen plates a really good wash and dry. You can leave the plates as they are if you love their original designs, or you can embellish them further using ceramic paint pens or even ceramic decals. Once you're happy with your plate designs and they're fully set, it's time to think about how you'll arrange them on your wall. Now for the hanging. There are a couple of great options for displaying your plates securely. Traditional wall plate hangers, those wire gadgets that grip the plate, work wonderfully, especially for heavier pieces. And there you have it, a stunning custom wall art installation made from humble thrifted plates. You know, those men's dress shirts you often find at thrift stores? They come in such great patterns and colors, and the fabric is usually really good quality cotton. But what do you do with them if they're not your size or style to wear as a shirt? Well, I'm excited to show you how to transform a large men's dress shirt into either a super charming apron or a handy tote bag. Let's start with the apron idea. A man's button-down shirt already has a great shape to start with. The first step is to lay the shirt flat and carefully cut off the sleeves and the collar, following the existing seams as much as possible. For the apron ties, you have a couple of options. Now, if a tote bag is more your style, the process is just as straightforward. Again, start by cutting off the sleeves and collar. Whether you choose an apron or a tote, you're taking a simple garment, and with a few cuts and stitches, creating something entirely new and wonderfully useful. The glassware section of a thrift store is always a goldmine, isn't it? You'll find an abundance of wine glasses, sturdy vases, little jars, and unique glass containers, often for just pennies. While they might look a bit lonely on the shelf, with a little imagination, this thrifted glassware can be transformed into enchanting candle holders or miniature terrariums, adding warmth, light, and a touch of nature to your home. Let's first talk about creating beautiful candle holders. Almost any glass container can work. For a simple, elegant look, take a collection of mismatched wine glasses, perhaps some with interesting stems or bowl shapes. Another wonderful way to upcycle glassware is to create tiny terrariums. This is perfect for those wider vases, fishbowl-style glasses, or even large jars with lids. Once your base layers are in, it's time for the fun part: adding your plants. Small succulents, air plants, or little bits of moss work beautifully in terrariums. Arrange them thoughtfully, considering their height and texture. These little green worlds are so captivating and bring such life to a small space. Whether you choose to create glowing candle holders or vibrant mini gardens, thrifted glassware offers endless possibilities for adding beauty and personality to your home. Wicker and woven baskets are another thrift store staple that I just can't resist. They come in all shapes and sizes, and they bring such a wonderful natural texture and warmth to a space. Well, we're going to give these humble baskets a stylish and practical makeover by turning them into fantastic hanging organizers. This is a perfect solution for decluttering and organizing everything from craft supplies in your studio to toiletries in the bathroom, or even mail and keys by the entryway. The first step is to select your baskets. Give your baskets a good cleaning. A vacuum with a brush attachment works wonders for getting dust out of all those woven crevices. If they're looking a bit tired, a fresh coat of spray paint can do wonders. Another lovely way to update your baskets and add a touch of personality is by adding a fabric liner. Once your baskets are painted or lined, or both, and looking their best, it's time to hang them. It's a beautiful functional system created from simple, thrifted finds, bringing order and rustic charm to your walls. There's a certain magic to old books, isn't there? The feel of the pages, the often beautiful covers, the stories they hold. At thrift stores, you can find so many hardback books with wonderful character. Perhaps their stories have been read many times over, or maybe they're just waiting for a new chapter. We're going to give some of these substantial hardback books a clever new purpose by transforming them into secret storage boxes. To start this intriguing project, you'll need a thick hardback book. The thicker the book, the deeper your storage compartment will be. Carefully, using your sharp craft knife and ruler as a guide, begin cutting along the lines you've drawn, going through a small section of pages at a time. After you've hollowed out the compartment, it's time to seal the cut edges of the pages together. Once dry, your secret storage book is ready to discreetly hold your valuables, blending seamlessly into your bookshelf. It's a touch of old-world charm with a clever, modern secret. Sometimes at thrift stores or flea markets, you'll come across orphaned dresser drawers. Maybe the dresser itself was beyond repair, but the drawers are still sturdy and full of character. Don't pass these by. These old drawers have so much potential and can be transformed into unique and stylish shelves or even charming planters. Let's first explore turning a drawer into a wall shelf. Start by giving the drawer a good cleaning. Then you'll want to sand it down, especially if the old finish is flaking, or if you plan to paint it. Once your drawer is painted and dry, it's ready to be mounted on the wall. Alternatively, these drawers make fantastic planters. If you're going this route, it's a good idea to drill a few drainage holes in the bottom. Then, simply fill it with good quality potting soil and plant your favorite flowers, herbs, or succulents. An old drawer, once part of a forgotten piece of furniture, now brimming with life and color. It's such a beautiful transformation, adding a touch of rustic elegance to your porch, patio, or even a sunny spot indoors. And there you have it, 8 genius ways to upcycle thrifted treasures into beautiful functional pieces for your home. It's truly amazing what a little bit of heart and creativity can do, isn't it? With just a little imagination, some basic supplies that you might already have on hand, and a fun trip to your local thrift store, you can create incredible decor, clever storage solutions, and thoughtful gifts that are absolutely full of personality and charm. These pieces tell a story, your story, and make your house feel even more like a home. Which of today's projects are you most excited to try? Was it the Boho plant stand, the Rustic jewelry organizer, or maybe those sweet little book boxes? I'd love for you to leave a comment below and let me know. And hey, if you've ever transformed a thrift find into something awesome, I want to hear your story too. Sharing our ideas and inspirations is what this creative community is all about. It's so inspiring to see how everyone puts their own unique spin on a project. Before you go, if you found some inspiration here today, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY magic, and hit the bell so you never miss a new upload. There's always something new and exciting to create together. Until next time, keep thrifting, keep crafting, and remember, everything old has the potential to become something wonderfully new. It's all about seeing that potential and bringing it to life. See you in the next video, friends.